Alright, hey everyone, here is how I did hem stitching by hand. This might be pin stitching, I'm honestly not sure what the difference is, but here we go. I used the Madeira 80 weight thread. This comes in a variety of colors, so pick one that matches your fabric well, and I'm just using a scrap piece of linen. This happens to be pink, and I'm using white thread, but such is life. So to start, I just kind of come up on my thread, or up on my fabric rather, and then I come up again. And now some people just kind of do this to secure on, and if you're comfortable with that, by all means go for it. I like to take the loop and then go through the loop at least once, if not twice, to secure on. I know it's not conventional, but it makes me happy, so I do it. So at any rate, regardless of how you secure on, then you're going to go over, and you can either count your threads, or you can just, eyeball a 1/4 inch or whatever the spacing is that you'd like. But whatever that spacing is, you're going to go over, and then you're going to tug on it a little bit, and you're going to go over again. And doing that initial tug opens up that hole, so when you go over again, you can find that same exact hole, because you want to go through that same hole, to make the hole bigger. And when you're done going through it, you go through your first hole back down to like your new starting point, okay? And then from your new starting point, you go up again. That will be your new starting point, and then over, and then through those two holes again, and you rinse and repeat. Now you can do this same sort of idea on a curve. You won't be able to count threads or anything, but you can kind of eyeball spacing. And I did this on a recent project of mine, and it goes quite quickly, and it looks, in my book, kind of impressive. So it's kind of a great combination. So again, you're gonna just eyeball your spacing. You're gonna go over from your initial hole to your second hole, give it a little bit of a tug to open up that second hole, and you're gonna go over. You could actually go through this a second time. The more you go through it, the more it's gonna open up that hole, and your thread is so fine, this 80 weight thread is so fine that it's really not adding much bulk inside that hole, if that makes sense. So I hope this was helpful. If y'all have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, we appreciate y'all for watching, and we hope to catch y'all next time.